You may have seen recently that Connecticut just passed its new state budget. The question that came in immediately from clients is, what does this mean to me? And more specifically, hey Ben, I heard there are tax cuts in the budget, so what does it mean to my retirement plan? Some of those questions can be answered right now, such as, per ct.gov, if you are a single filer receiving ordinary income and are making between $30,500 and $125,500, your state tax burden will be decreased. On the lowest income side of the spectrum, that decrease is just over 48%. If you're on the highest side of the spectrum, the decrease is just under 2%. If filing jointly, same deal, on a different spectrum. Joint filing households earning between $40,500 and $275,000 will see a state tax decrease, the lower income end of the spectrum receiving a 100% decrease, if you can believe it, and the high end receiving a 1% decrease. These state tax decreases are estimated to affect nearly 60% of all filers across the board. Now the fun part begins. The bill also includes language, once again, per ct.gov, that states it eliminates retirement income tax cliff, which refers to the current system where up to $75,000 if a single filer and up to $100,000 if filing jointly of certain retirement income is tax exempt, and up to by adding a phase-out for allowable pension and annuity and IRA distribution deductions against personal income tax. Ben, what does that word salad mean? Great question. Thank you for asking. The answer is, we don't exactly know yet. And I've mentioned this in previous videos, but we don't have a crystal ball at Fuchs Financial. We are not fortune tellers and not in the prognostication business as a firm. What we are is a dedicated team keeping track of not only this new state budget, but all state and federal tax laws as they are put into place. Situations like a new state budget and its direct correlation to your income are why you have an advisor. You may still be working and have a house and a family, or fill in the blank with a litany of other responsibilities, as we all face trying to get to retirement. Or you may be already retired and want to travel and spend time with your families, whatever that may be. In both scenarios, you have responsibilities, priorities, and wants. For the majority of you watching, I'll be willing to assume that combing over 300 plus pages of budget legislation fails to make it into any of those three categories. So, let us do the work. Figure out how this new law affects you and help guide you to the best possible outcome for your income. If you'd like to understand how these tax cuts impact your retirement, give us a call at 860-461-1709 to schedule a free consultation. If it's easier to schedule an appointment online, please visit us at fuchsfinancial.com and schedule an appointment from there.